my friends, good morning to all. I am Axel Sunil from 8B BMGHS Kulathupuzha. I am standing in front of you to present a seminar paper. I got inspiration from Sudarshanan sir, who takes classes on Victor's channel. He gave an assignment for us to prepare a seminar paper. Do you know about Indus Valley civilization? The Indus Valley civilization starts at the bank of river Indus. We want to study some points of Indus Valley civilization like location, period, trades, drainage system, lifestyle, decline of Harappa, trade, handicrafts or its occupation, etc. Our first point we want to study is the Indus Valley civilization is also called Harappan civilization. There are 2 points that the Indus Valley civilization is also called Harappan civilization. The first one was the first excavation was conducted in Harappa. The second point is the first evidence of the Indus Valley civilization is excavated from Harappa. We are going to discuss the stretched land and the period of the civilization. The stretched land was western part of Pakistan to Alamgirpur in Uttarakhand and the Kashmir in north to Narmada Valley in south. The period of Harappan civilization existed in between BC 2700 and BC 1700. Next we are going to discuss some points about the features of Harappa. The first one is they made lot of burnt bricks. They used burnt bricks for built buildings, houses, drainage system, etc. Second point, cities like Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lodar had 2 parts. The 2 parts is west and east. The part to the west was higher and it is used by administrators. The ruins of buildings and probably an assembly hall also discovered from here. The part to the east is used by common people. It was low and the ruins of buildings, houses were unearthed from here. The third point is they were varying structures. They made up of different structures by using clay and stones. The fourth point, every houses have 1 or more than 1 rooms with 1 toilet and courtyard. Next is an important feature. It is the drainage system of Harappan civilization. The wastewater from drains collected and it goes or it ends in the main drain in the street. Even though small cities and villages also have efficient drainage system. It was entirely built up of burnt bricks and it was closed by using stones. Next point is Great Bath, granaries and agriculture. Great Bath. It is also called Great Tank. It was discovered from Mohenjo-daro and it is used for religious ceremonies. It is fully made up of burnt bricks. Next is granaries. Granaries are big buildings. It is used for dry and store grains. It is built near to river banks. Agriculture. Agriculture is an important thing in all civilization. In the Harappan civilization also same case with agriculture. They used plow and weapons by made up of clay. It was excavated from Lothal. In Rangpur in Kashmir, they were farming by plowing the land. Use the agricultural fields in the villages also very fertile. It is disposed by the rivers. The name of that soil is alluvial soil. Next, a great thing we can see in this agricultural system is the urban folk depend villages for their food and their work, and the villages people are the major market for urban products. It means the urban people is depend to the villages peoples to their food and their work, and the villages people is the major marketing for these urban products. Next, this grains that cultivated in Harappa was wheat, rice, barley, millet, pulses, sesame, etc. and etc. The ruins of granaries and the rice cultivated also excavated from here. The clay models of rhinoceros, elephants also were excavated. This is an evidence of their handicrafts. And next point is the trade relationship of Harappa. The inscriptions discovered from Mesopotamia involved that the relationship with Meluha. Which place is Meluha? The Meluha, the archaeologists opinion that the Meluha is Harappa, and the Mesopotamian seals also excavated from this Harappa. So it is an evidence for the trade link between Mesopotamia and Harappa. The Lothal was one of the main center of maritime. Its evidence was the clay model sailing ship. It was excavated or obtained from Lothal. But there is no evidence of any coins. Now I ask one question. Why this Harappan civilization is also known as Bronze Age civilization? The reason is they collected copper from Khetri, Rajasthan, presented in Rajasthan, and they collect tin from Afghanistan and Central Asia. They mixed this tin and copper and make bronze. These bronze were used to make many weapons. The bronze are very sufficient in this Harappan civilization. So, this Harappan civilization is also known as Bronze Age civilization. The seals were found more. It is used for the trade with another countries or another states, etc. Next, we want to discuss some points of handicraft. The seals, clay figures, utensils, ornaments were excavated from here. This is an evidence for their handicraft. Dancing girl found from Mohenjo-daro is an evidence for their handicraft. They also used gold, copper, bronze, space, shells, etc. for making ornaments. They made seals by using clay and stones. This is an occupation of the Harappan people. The artistic skills of people reflected in the seals where they made. Next point we are going to discuss is the belief system of Harappa. The main thing is the seals. The seals found from Harappa is a main evidence of for their belief system. Clay figures of women widely discovered from here. It proves the worshipping of mother goddesses. It connected with the fertility of soil. They pray to mother goddesses to make their soil fertility. Next, historians opines the figures of men is old Shiva or early form of Shiva. They also worship trees, animals, figures of clay models, etc. Next is our last point of this Indus Valley civilization. It is the decline of Indus Valley civilization. The points of decline of Harappa is flood. The Kerala also flood in 2018 and 19. Next is external inventions, deforestation, and our surroundings also there are deforestation. They cut trees and fire grass for build many high buildings. This is a dangerous thing for our earth. Next is decline of agricultural system. The agricultural system is made up of very hard work. They lost their agricultural system during the flood. Next and last point is the epidemic. We are also faces the epidemic in following days. Epidemics is an main point of the decline of Harappa. Thank you.